Creative Mom, Coach Mel, coming to you live, hanging out. So we're going to make a fall grapevine. I had this actual garland vine that we're going to add. This did come from our friends over at Double Exchange. Love how this looks. I love the leaves, how they really kind of look super natural because they have all that like coloration. I love that. We're going to bend this in and we're going to attach with some wire. Just want to make sure when I put them in that all the pieces are going the right way and they can be turned the right way. And we probably won't use the whole wire here, just, some. If y'all are afraid of grapevines, we're going to try to make you not afraid. This is really easy. A little piece of wire, just wrapping it around. To get it in. Oopsie, get it in. And making sure as best as we can that all those leaves are going in the right direction. And then every so often, I'm just going to take this wire, go up underneath. So I'm going to come back in here. Actually, I think I might cut that right off. And we might start over. Kind of go in both directions. We should have used the same wire and did the same thing all the way around, which is what we should have done. Wrapping this around. So the products that we're using today did come from our friends over at Deco Exchange. Cut this one off here. Not my fingers. Cut these apart. Wild and crazy. I'm here for it. Looks a little thin up in here, so I'm going to just grab a little glue and put this in just individually up here, which is totally fine. Just kind of fill that out up there. And let me see what we're looking at. Kind of crazy. It looks kind of crazy. I'm here for it though. And it comes kind of straight down over here. Wiggle that one right up in. Slide it right up in there. Okay, these were kind of long. Listen, don't be afraid to choppy chop. It's fine, okay? So if I get to the point where I'm like, ooh, that's just way too long, I'm going to just chop it. I'm not afraid to do that. I can cut them all on an angle here, right? But for now, I'm going to try to feed these in so that it stays in our sight line. So even though my piece starts like way over here, put that way in up here, right? We are working on it. Now that I have my vine in place, my garland in place with the vines, let's go ahead and get rid of what we can see. Because what's underneath there, what's underneath there, don't care. Right? If that grapevine underneath there looks like this, I don't care. Doesn't matter. You're not going to see it. Your customer's not going to see it. Doesn't matter. But what's out here, that matters. Somebody, I saw someone use a ribbon very similar to this yesterday in one of the designs, and so I was inspired. This is a 2.5 inch. So I'm going for easy. I'm going for few materials. I'm going for big vision. Feel me? Easy, big vision, little materials. I'm not saying they're inexpensive materials, but not a lot of materials. Okay. Pinch. Hey, does it? This you, JP, you're the one. I was inspired by that. Was your ribbon last night, right? That looked kind of like this. Yes. I was like, why didn't you get that out? I think yours was a 1.5 inch, but. I'm gonna go a nice big bow right in that transition point and see what we can come up with. This is so pretty. This ribbon has got a little bit of glitter on it. A little bit of glitter, which is going to allow me to bring in something else I'm putting in. Yeah, that was really pretty. 3, 6, let's do something. Okay, let me grab a zippy tie just to make it a little bit easier. Oopsie. I'll be listening in. A flare and a transition. So this vine that I have in here right now is so pretty. I already did. I added a bow to my wreath. All right. We're going to have a little bit of fun. This. A little bit of haircut. All right. Now, bet you didn't see that coming. Let's get these in. I have no idea how this is going to turn out. We're gonna get through this together. Sometimes you gotta just see. Sometimes you gotta just see. I'm just gonna go with that. Okay, all right. I don't know what step this is, but we're not doing a lot of steps here. We're going for simple. I have one more thing to put in, and that's it, just one. So I'm really hoping, since I'm gluing here, I'm really hoping we have made good choices thus far. I'll fix that. Okay, all right. One more piece. Let's see if I can do it. One more piece. See if I can pull this baby off. One, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5. That is fantastic. Awesome. Oddly enough, I am in love with this. Okay, I just got to make sure I get them in where I have them in. Perfection. Here we go. Now, if I get these in and I get it behind the camera and I'm like, uh-oh. I mean, these got to be placed pretty good, okay? they get it behind the camera and I'm like, uh-oh. Well, don't forget they are wired. Okay? They're wired. So you could bend them up, you can fold them up like up in the design. You can fold them up so that it shortens to where you want it to be, right? Yes. This one I'm going to pull in a little bit. I appreciate you for watching. I hope to see you again soon on any one of our platforms inside the Creative Coaching Group as well. If you have any questions, I'll come back and check the comments, but I will see you again soon.